Hello everyone. In this video, I will be discussing how we can find total number of weekends, that is Saturday and Sunday, between two dates provided. The code for that I have written and I will explain this code by executing it line by line. So first I am defining a variable date1, date2, date2 check as date and days, weekends I as integer. Now I am initializing weekends equals to 0. Now I am getting the first date from the user. So let me write 18/06/20, and now I am getting the second date from the user, and let me write 18/07/20. Now I am calculating the total number of days between the two dates provided. Now for each days I am calculating whether it is a weekday or weekend, and if it is weekend then I will be adding that in weekends variable, and for that I am using weekday function. Here 1 corresponds to Sunday and 7 corresponds to Saturday. So this if condition is checking whether it is Sunday or Saturday, and if the day is Sunday or Saturday then it will add a day in weekend. So it will keep on going for all the days between the date that we have provided. Now let me complete this code by pressing F5 shortcut key. So the total number of weekends between the two dates entered are 9. So that's how we can calculate the total number of weekends between the two dates provided. Thank you.